Hello YouTube, 47 here. Today I'm giving you a great video. Some would say the best video you've ever seen. Asked anybody, certainly better than anything you'll get from China. They tried to give me a virus. Did you hear this? But I've never felt better. Like and subscribe to Broccoli TV, or you'll fall over like Sleepy Joe. Now here's that beautiful little vegetable.
Hey, Savah YouTube, it's your boy Broccoli TV. How about that knucklehead right there, huh? So today I decided to go ahead and make a quick video on how to get the bottom of your model rooted to give you that lifelike turning. I figured a lot of people would want this feature and no telling how long it was going to take me to figure out these outfit changes. I got it to where I can change, but I just haven't figured out how to hotkey for specific outfits or how to make them turn off altogether once activated. But as soon as I do, I'll put out another video, come ça. I won't have an outro with this video, so as usual, leave a like if this helps you out. Leave a comment if you have a question or ask me live at twitch.tv/broccoli-tv. Y'all have a good one, and tell your mom and them I love them. Mwah. All right, so we're going to start off with the avocado from my last video, and we're going to go ahead and rig it up with a couple bones. You only really need 2 of them. So in object mode, with your model selected, we'll click Shift-A, Armature, Single Bone, come to the right with this little man running for his life, Viewport Display in front. Then we're going to go ahead and resize this bone here. And you're going to want your parent bone to be at the top. That'll be the bone that won't move, and your bottom bone will be the one that you put the script on. So go ahead and move that up. And you're going to only want your bottom bone to cover the part of your body that you don't want to move left and right when you're looking in Lens Studio. So we'll actually stretch this out a little bit more. About right there. And put that down. Then you'll come into edit mode. You can press tab or select it up here on the top left. Highlight the little ball at the bottom of your bone. Press E. And a little baby bone's going to come out. You stretch that down to the bottom of your model. From here, we'll go back into object mode. Press A to select all. Then you click Control A, all transforms. Then you click Control P, the parent with automatic weights. And once you got that done, you can go ahead and export and get it into Lens Studio. So we'll go File, Export, FBX. You want to make sure that your whole model is selected, bones and all. Path mode will be copy. You click this little box right here. Then we'll put that in a good spot. Selected objects as well, and go ahead and export. Then we're going to go ahead and export again as a USD just to make sure we have a texture file. Selection only. And make sure this material box right here is clicked. And then we'll go ahead and export that. Then we can go ahead and move into Lens Studio. All right, now that we're in Lens Studio, we'll go ahead and drag that FBX file we made in here. Click Import. You don't need to change any of these settings. And then we're going to go ahead and drag in that textures file in here. This don't matter. It's going to default to a size itself. So you just go ahead and click OK. And then it'll load in your textures. It'll take a second for it to load. So we'll go ahead and let that do. First, we're going to add that head binding. Delete the occluder. Now drag your prefab onto that head binding. Then go ahead and resize. There we go. Now we're going to load the materials onto it. Click this on the material button. Your base texture. Go ahead and click that box. Go to textures, image 1, click OK. And that should load the texture onto your model. Let's see what's this. I think that's the normal. So from here, normal map, image 1. There you go, to give it a little bit better textures. If you have like metallic and all that, you just come down, go ahead and put those textures. Speculate AO if you have that. Some models come with a bunch of different textures you can put, but You could just go down the list. If you're not sure which one goes where, you could just click on each one, go ahead and try it out, see if it makes what you like. But usually I just use base texture and normal map because that's usually in all of it. Don't click detailed normal because then it'll start boxing it up for you. All right. So now go ahead and put your face on it and everything. And then I'll show you how to do the smooth following. Once you got your face how you like it, and if you need a tutorial on that, just refer to my previous video. I'll show you exactly how to create a lens. You may have some issues trying to get it if this scene's all out of order. So you want everything to just parent off of this prefab so you can move it around. Then my bone was in the armature class, so I had to move it out and put it onto the prefab. Most of the time you won't have this section here, but you always have the mesh and your bones when you create it. And then make sure your bottom bone is parented onto your top bone. So to get that script, we're going to go to the internet and you're going to go to github.com/frozenatlas/olc-repo. You're going to come into projects and template. And you're going to look for a SmoothFollow. You're going to click on that. You'll click public. And then smoothfollow.js. And that'll give you this code. We can go ahead and copy that. Come back into Lens Studio. We'll add a script. Click on that there. Open in built-in editor. And we'll go ahead and paste that script. Press Control S to save it. Then what we're going to do, we're going to click that bottom bone, not the end, the bottom bone. We're going to add a component. And that component is going to be script, add script, and you'll put the script you just created. If you want, you can rename it SmoothFollow if you want, but I only have one script, so we'll do that. We'll set the target to the head binding. And it's going to kind of drop it a little bit, so you might need to resize it to make sure you still fit all in the same camera. And then we'll go ahead and put this at 0.15. I'd say 0.10 to 0.20. Just find you a sweet spot. But you see how my head doesn't follow? That's because it's still a parent of this here bone. So we'll go ahead and exit out this script. And we'll just drag the bone out. And now, when you turn your head, that bottom is rooted. And it'll slowly follow around. And then you can do a lot, make it follow faster. Make it follow slower. Just find you a sweet spot. And that's pretty much it. You go ahead and finish creating your lens, your background, all that good stuff. If you need help on how to do that, just refer to my last video. I'll show exactly how you do that. But that's pretty much it for making your SmoothFollow script. Pretty simple stuff. All right.